Hey guys, Alyssa here with Diesel Power Products. If you have an 04.5 to 07 6.0 Power Stroke, this is one of those must-do reliability upgrades. This is the PPE high-pressure oil standpipe with the rail plug kit. Standpipes carry high-pressure oil up into the oil rails and the rail plugs, also called dummy plugs, and seal the ends of those rails to hold that pressure in. That pressure is what your injectors use to fire. Your 6.0 uses high-pressure oil instead of fuel pressure to run your injectors. These upgraded components use better seals and materials to keep that pressure from leaking out. The factory seals are known to fail and leak over time, leading to hot, no-start issues, stalling, and loss of power. This kit replaces your standpipes and dummy plugs in your high-pressure oil system, the parts that help deliver oil to your injectors. It restores and maintains proper oil pressure so your injectors can work the way they're supposed to. If you want your 6.0 to start hot and run the way it should, get yours today at dieselpowerproducts.com.